Dear viewers, today I'm going to show you how Quora works. Quora is actually a question and answer posting site, and you see I have googled it, and you see that a lot of people search it, and it has high domain authority. You see 93 out of 100. That means it is quite old and it has a lot of traffics, and you see that 12.30 million searches. I mean Quora is listed, Quora word is listed in that amount. That's what it meant. So you see right now I'm going to Google how Quora helps grow YouTube channel. So this is the question and I'll find some answers here. What is the most effective way to grow YouTube channel? You see the 33 answers here. So you see 40 views in 7 days. 40 views in just 7 days it has. So right now I am going to search in Quora and how to grow YouTube channel fast. So it has shown me 3 questions. So right now I have to decide which question I should answer. So think carefully. So I think how does a YouTube channel grow so rapidly? That is the suitable question for me. I choose that question. Right now I am going to see that there are 45 answers, and you see 69 views in one answer, and in another video, another answer you see 1k view, and in another video you see 1.6k view. That means a lot of people view from here. Now I'm going to answer here. Just click the answer button and start writing the answers. So what you think carefully that while answering you should keep your backlinks as low as you can. You shouldn't link a lot of backlinks or a lot of links. So you just work on one video or only one your channel URL. So that is the backlink you should work on. Otherwise, if you write a lot of backlinks here, if you paste actually a lot of backlinks here, then your answer will not be viewed, because a lot of people will think it is one kind of promotional issue. So as the Quora is about answering certain questions, and so you must keep the answer as relevant as possible along with minimal backlinks. So you should keep it in mind. So I have chosen on page and off page SEO, how to grow your YouTube channel, and I am writing some terms with what you can actually grow your channel. So that is the way you can answer your question in Quora. So you see right now I have finished my writing here, and what I do now, I will highlight my channel keywords. So I will bold it, then I will copy the link from my channel, then I'll paste it here. So one link is right now copied, and I'll go to the up, and you see there is a link button, and click here and paste it here. That's it. Footnote, if you add footnote, it will be shown down. Okay, if you click here add, that's how it is done. And what you need to do right now, you need to do another thing, that is highlight the important words you want to highlight, so that the people search the answers of a certain question, they actually read those terms. Highlighting actually helps that your article is being read. So right now I am doing so. So you see that I am actually changing my font. So I will select the keyword with the link, actually with the link I want to add, my video link, actually the video link I want to share here. So you see my video link, how to promote YouTube videos for free. I just copied the link from here and I will paste the link in there. The same way you see the link button, and just paste in the URL. Okay, and add. Now it is added and you will see the link down here. You see right now it is shown. So, and now add a relevant image regarding your article. So you see that. So why I have selected this image? Because it is thinking about how to SEO, and you have to brainstorm and how to answer your question. Right now I have posted here, and you will see that my answer is posted. Now I will select the credential. One is digital marketing, another is MBA in banking, in marketing actually, sorry for that. So I will choose one. That's how my credential will be added in here. And now you will see the share options. You can share in Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and that's how you can easily answer any question in Quora. And my links will be shown in blue. You see that any link, see my link is in blue, and my channel link will be shown there. So what I suggest you guys, that you subscribe my channel, you stay tuned with my channel and help me grow, and that will also help you guys to grow as well. So do subscribe, share and like and comment as many as you can, so that I get motivated and you guys will also get motivated. Bye.